Hi everyone, today I'm going to tell you all about a fault that Tesla don't tell you. And if you want to know what that is, stay tuned. We're going to tell you all about it. I'm going to tell you right now.
Mal's back talking Tesla. To see the enhancements made to my Tesla and how to update yours, please subscribe to the channel and you can message me with suggestions or for help.
I have to give a shout out to two people that told me this and I didn't even know. And the only reason they knew is they watched one of my videos, heard the sound and said, this is your problem. And my shout goes out to EVYMT and Robbie. So here is a little space here. And look along here. No. EVMYT said, those creaks from your steering are knackered upper control arms. And Robbie said, they will replace both sides under warranty. It's the sealed ball joints not having enough grease. Was already fixed in new parts, just affecting the older freeze. So my next move was to ask Robbie what I should say to Tesla to get them to be on the same hymn sheet as me and make sure that they get this replaced for me. Just say it's creaking from the front wheels and ideally give a recording of the sound, and when it occurs they usually want you to take it for a test drive. At least yours seems to happen when turning, so it's easy to trigger. Ask for both to be done. You don't want to do it again in 2 months. Think they'll do it anyway, but it's good to ask. Driving off to the service centre at Tesla's now and we'll see what goes on there. Very welcoming when you see the Tesla. You feel like, oh, I've come home. Well, the car does anyway. Okay, we're here. Pull up outside and hopefully book the car in. Let's have a look. There's no one here. I'll just put it over here and see what goes on. Well, as you see, it's parked outside. We're waiting to go in now, and then they'll take it in the service centre. They've arranged Uber for me, so I'm going to get my Uber to get me home, and then I'll come back a bit later. Okay, so we're giving you an update now. I'm driving back in an Uber, and Tesla give you an Uber. They gave me £70 worth of Uber voucher, so I can use the car. And as you speak, we're going back. It's a day later than it was yesterday because I didn't give them a video. My mistake. I should have given a video of the sound, but because I didn't and I told them what was wrong, they didn't hear the fault, so they thought it was braking. But it wasn't braking, it was actually the arms. When I actually did a video, which is one I've just showed you earlier in the clip, I gave them that clip, and of course it was immediate and it's done. So I will join you back when I'm back in Park Royal in my car. Hey, I'm back in my car. I got it back. And yes, it cost me nothing. It would have cost £154. They changed the arm. And what does an arm look like? Well, this is your arm, right? So basically this fits inside. You have a lower arm under here. The wheel attaches to it. And this is the main problem here. And there's a left one and a right one. They replaced both of them. Like this. And that's what you got for the arm. It'd make a good yoke, couldn't it? I have to say, using Uber, unbelievable. 3 or 4 minute journeys and the car is waiting for you. Great. Didn't have to drive anywhere. They just turn up and take it. And every driver that Uber I was chatting to about Tesla, they were very interested in how good Teslas are. So that is an interesting one for maybe people in the future. But how good is this? So unfortunately, the day before, they only heard a squeaking in the brakes and I didn't give them the video footage. I know Robbie said give the footage to them. I didn't, and unfortunately if I would have done, there wouldn't have been a problem. So that night they notified me to say the car is ready. They didn't find the fault, so I sent him the footage which you've just seen of the car creaking, and no argument, next day it's done and it's brilliant. They were really happy that, you know, it's all been attended to. They liked this, which, you know, the one I'd done previously last week, or whenever you might be seeing it, I did a video where you can see how to charge Autosonos, fantastic company, and how this works. They loved it. They fell in love with the charger, I have to say. Loads of people have been asking me, where'd you get it from? How'd you get it? Well, you can get it. It's in the description. I'll put it in this week's description as well so you can see it too. But all good. I'm delighted to get my car back. And don't forget the competition. My subscribers are going up thanks to you. I'm really pleased it's going up. Not as fast as I'd like. I know. I was hoping to get it for Christmas, but you know, at the moment we're on about 460 something, 464. With your help, we could get it up to 500, 600. All I ask is if you love these videos and you're really interested in them, just subscribe for me if you could. That would really be good for me. And as a thank you for me, for you, I'm going to give away some prizes when I get to 1,000 subscribers. Just my way of thanking you for your little help of watching and you know, when you actually comment for me on stuff. I love it, because without Robbie and AVMX, I wouldn't have known about the problem of the arms. And it's only on model 2019 and earlier models. So if you get a creaking when you're turning around the corners and it goes creak, creak, it's one of these. Then all they can do, they can't actually do anything to it. The grease is longer in these, they have to replace the item. Once they replace it, we're all good to go. Anyway, I hope you've enjoyed this video and it's been informative. Watch out if you are one of the people that have got these older cars and you hear this creaking, don't leave it. Tesla will do it under warranty, so you don't have any worry about cost. You can see from here what it would cost you, £154. You can see from here what they've done by replacing it. And also they said what they've done now is they've added polyurethane into the coating, so it keeps dust and everything away from it. So it's even better than it was before. And it's done. And I'm so happy to have a Tesla. They are the best cars, no question. Anyway, until the next video, I look forward to seeing you then. I'll be seeing you.
Thanks for watching, and do tell us in the comments section that you've subscribed, and we can then contact you if you're the winner when the prize is drawn.
Quack, quack. Oops.